Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. It's Katrina. Just coming to you with another small haul, and this was a Crafters Uber special that I bought from Lady Di. So Lady Di, I just wanted to let you know I got my package today. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And this is just me opening up the package here. Y'all know I'm like a kid in the candy store. So I ordered some wax melts that Lady Di had showed in her destashing video of some of the things that she wanted to get rid of. And these are the Pioneer Women candles. As you can see, are the wax melts actually. And as you can see, I got quite a few of them. So I am very happy with this order. This one here was really difficult for me to open, but I have carpal tunnel. My daughter did manage to get them open after we finished videoing. And these are the Pioneer Women brand, and they smell so good.
Get that one open.
So all of these wax melts will get put to use for this Christmas and this holiday season. And I'm just very happy with these purchases. It was initially the colors of them that drew me to them when she showed them, because these are colors that I did not have as far as in wax goes, and I ran out of my little dyes. So that was my main reason for wanting these. But I do have some ideas for these, and you'll see those coming up in some videos
when I get them down to the Crafty Corner.
So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. So I just wanted to let you know, Eileen, I got the package. Thank you, sweetie. I appreciate it so much. And wait till you see what I do with these. Thank you so much. Blessings.